Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing and placing your clip on the timeline. Select it so the Properties panel appears. Once selected, choose the property you want to animate, scale, position, rotation, or opacity, because each uses a different keyframe anchor. Make sure the playback head sits at your intended first frame. This matters for timing. If you need precise placement, zoom the timeline. Now insert the first keyframe using the Add Keyframe control. This anchors your starting value. Once the first keyframe is set, move the playhead to where the change should occur and add another keyframe. Then alter the property value, for example, increase scale or shift position, and Clipchamp records that as the target state. Make small adjustments, play back, and tweak intermediate keyframes to smooth motion. Use more frequent keyframes for complex movement or fewer for gradual shifts. If timing feels off, nudge keyframes left or right to tighten rhythm and pacing. To finish, scrub through the clip to confirm motion feels natural. Adjust spacing between keyframes to change speed, and add easing by manually spacing values. Once satisfied, set export settings, resolution, frame rate, format, and export. If you see jumps or no animation, first reset the property and re-add keyframes. Make sure the clip is selected when adding. If preview stutters, clear the app cache or restart Clipchamp. Then reopen the project and recheck keyframe placement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.